Classic chicken and chips gets a deliciously different twist with these roast celeriac fries. They're a little lower in carbs than their potato cousins, and they count as a portion of veg. Insert a lemon into the chicken cavity and roast for 20 minutes per pound or 45 minutes per kilo, plus an extra 20 minutes. While that's cooking, cut a large peeled celeriac into chips and spread out on a non-stick baking tray. Spray with low-calorie cooking spray and add to the oven when the chicken has 30 minutes left to cook. When everything is almost ready, fry 250 grams of dark green kale with some garlic for around 5 minutes. Meanwhile, make a dressing with 5 shallots and some fresh tarragon. Mix with the zest and juice of 2 lemons and 2 level teaspoons of Dijon mustard and a little water. When the chicken is cooked, discard the skin and any visible fat and divide everything between 4.